No Viz, surprise beat sessions. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I guess you heard the bird's a word, but what's the meaning? I mean, it's a little absurd, all these talk about birds, but no specification on the species. You know what, mate? I call that foul play. Flapping gums, hard as fuck as I step into the rap game. Eating beef on the third day earthquake. Buzz it up on wordplay while I shepherd herds on Thursdays. But let's take a step back on return to the bird game. See my rhyme scheme's a pedigree, like a peregrine. Dive in and touch stress, but you'll never see. Cause whenever we fuck around, we ain't dancing around the cherry tree. You silly little fucking clown, we flying high and never ever coming down. No shit, can't kill us kids, cause we rise from the ashes like the legendary phoenix. We play spitting big bars about this hilarious big business for days. Situation is awkward as shit. All these youngins trying to sort from the come up, but you're clipping their wigs with your insults and petty shit. Like, where the fuck's your effigy of loving this? I'll be munching your drumsticks, killer, please. Keep it up and I'ma bust your beat, cause the big hawks flying about in the air like a parrot fiend, strangling parakeets while eating cheese. You duck down, there ain't no possibility of ever dodging me. Yeah. There ain't no possibility of ever dodging me. Fucking, this is so funny. Woo! Then go the fuck to sleep as I siphon your titles. The golden eagle just gone went and snatched out your eyes. No raven on my shoulder as I'm stealing your high. I'm feeling the high that my majestic wings supply. So this shit's sublime, now watch me see you shine at the speed of light. Yeah, ha, this shit's sublime, so watch me steal your shine at the speed of light. Fuck off. Tweet, tweet.